just want to show your jelly beans, Shira. Show me your jelly beans. Show me your jelly beans. Real quick. Real quick. Come on. Look at Look at that one. That one's pretty cute, right? This one's the best one. The Tekken bear. Sure is not happy. I just put permanent marker on him. It's okay. It's okay. I know. I know. He was sleeping and I put a light in his eye and put markers by him. Look at that happy bear. Look at that happy bear. Hi guys. Oh, I know. Okay. I'm a completely bad mother. Oh, sure.